Welcome to my brain where I thought I hit record, but I hadn't and filmed. Luckily, had not opened yet, so that's good. Hey everybody and welcome. Today's video, we're going to be unboxing our September Allure Beauty Box. Now, this just arrived. It's clean. I have a house full of gamers. If you hear the commotion, that would be my son up there flipping his you know what, playing a game. But I can't complain because school's over, so he's allowed. So anyways, guys, that's what today's video is all about. So before we jump in, if you guys are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Ron, and over here, we always embrace the hot mess. And it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone with a house full of children and gamers. Welcome to mom life. Oh my gosh, it was like I cued him right in on that. Anyways, guys, let's go ahead and jump on in. Okay, guys, so like I said, we're going to be unboxing our Allure Beauty Box for September. Now, my understanding is this is the last month, September, I should say, was the last month that it was $15 a month. You guys actually told me last month when I did my unboxing that this is going up to $23, I think. Is that right? $23. Now I'm hoping with the $23, they're going to be maybe including full-size product versus like deluxe size sample with maybe one full-size product, because as of right now, the $15, I feel like this was pretty close to like an Ipsy glam bag type of situation, but a lot of times the Ipsy or the Allure was coming out on top. So let me know you guys' thoughts down below on that. Now, you guys know I'm a whiny little you know what when it comes to the box. We always get a little pamphlet in here. Now, the pamphlet does sometimes tell you the price of the items, but it's more or less a review on how it worked for somebody else, kind of dealio. So, sorry guys, I just went outside to get the mail and like ragweed is high over here and I'm just like struggling. So let's go ahead and jump in. You guys know I love these types of boxes because you can always decorate them, re-gift, all of that. So here is the inside of it. Oh, okay. So we got a lot of stuff in here. The first thing I see, oh, this is by Hotmess. This is the Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. I've been wanting to try this. I have been wanting to try this so much. Now, obviously, I would say this is a deluxe size sample of this cleansing balm. Now, you guys know I absolutely love my Clinique Take the Day Off balm, but I'm always willing to try other ones out as well. So this does say it is 0.7 US ounces, 20 grams as far as that goes. And it does look like a full size price of this would be $64. And if you shop at Hotmess's website and you use the code Allure20, you'll save 20% on your product. But that's excluding the Ultra Smart Pro Collagen range. Okay, well, I don't know. But anyways, I'm excited to try and test this out. It smells really good and very natural. The lid was not screwed on all the way. Like, thank God that did not leak out. Okay, so the next item I see in here is Cleo Noir. I love this. This was actually, I don't know if it was this particular one. Yes. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Oh, it's a different color. Okay, so I actually got a black one of these liners in my Lip Monthly bag. This is like purple, and I really liked it in my Lip Monthly bag. This one doesn't feel as creamy as the one I had received in the Lip Monthly, but it's a pretty color. I don't know if I'll use it, but maybe. Okay, so it says it has a price tag of $18, and you can pick it up at cleonoir.com. And like I said, I really liked the black liner that I received, and I think this is pretty, but it doesn't. It felt like I needed to press down a lot harder for this particular one. So okay, so the next item is Dry Conditioner Instant Mousse. Conditions dry hair to control frizz. It's waterless. It's waterless. How cool is that? I've never heard of a waterless dry conditioner. I'm very intrigued. So I feel like maybe this is like just like an added extra bonus because it's on the very last page of this little pamphlet. So that's cool. The whole thing is full. The next item is a brush by e.l.f. This is a highlighting brush. e.l.f. makes great brushes, and this has a retail value of $4. You can save Allure 25 at checkout at the e.l.f. Cosmetics site. Will save you 25% off your next brush purchase. That's nice. I actually have a lot of highlighter brushes, so I'm actually going to put this in a future giveaway. The next item I see in here is the Unleashed Wonder Beauty Volume and Curl Mascara. Now, I think we've gotten this before in other boxes, and this is a nice natural type of mascara, if I can remember, if I'm remembering correctly. So this does have a retail value of $24, and that's what I feel like Wonder Beauty is more about, is like natural beauty, you know, kind of thing. And I do know that my lashes definitely enjoy the mascara. Like I said, it gives you a really nice natural type of lash, and I do like to pair it. You guys actually told me to do this with my Wonder Beauty. You guys told me to pair it with the Thrive Cosmetics mascara to get even longer lashes, and you guys are so right. This makes my lashes almost like thick and plump, and then if you come in with the Thrive Cosmetic, it like lengthens out your lashes. So really excited to have another one of those. The next one is the La Roche-Posay SPF 50 sunscreen. It's like a little sample of this, and I've always heard really good things about that. Now the full size does have a retail value of $33.50, and you can pick this up directly at their site, and Allure BB20 at checkout will save you 20%. And it does look like this sunscreen, does it have, it says it's matte, non-whitening, and 100% mineral UV filters. I thought maybe it was tinted. I don't want to open it, but sunscreen, super important every single day, no matter what, period. The next item is Glam Up Revitalizing Japanese Sack Sheet Mask. And let's see how much this has a retail value for. This has a retail value of $9.98, and Allure Glam Up will save you 20% off at the GoSelly.com, I guess is where this is actually from. So like I said, this particular box is $15, and everything that I received in this box for $15, I'm not mad about it. Now, to be honest with you guys, if I paid $23 for this box, I would not be a happy camper, period. Like, to me, again, I don't know, because maybe I overlooked the email explaining what $23 will get us with an Allure Beauty Box starting in October. If you guys know, please let me know down below. But if this is what we're going to be seeing for $23, I don't know if I'm a big fan of that. I mean, I don't think it's a bad box, but when you have boxes like BoxyCharm, Ipsy, you know, I think the Chic Beauty Box is around that price range. Glossy Box, Look Fantastic. Like, there's a lot of beauty boxes out there that I feel like for the price, I don't know. So I hope that if Allure is charging us more, we're gonna see either more products in here or larger size products in here. I will say, I mean, these were really good. And of course the sheet mask, I mean, it's a good box. But you've got me trained for $15. That's a good deal. But don't go adding like $8 to it. You know what I mean? Yeah. I don't know. Let me know you guys' thoughts down below on that, because like I said, $15, absolutely. You add an $18, or you adding $8 to this box, I'm not really feeling it. I'm not feeling it for $23. Especially, like I said, for $2 more, I can get 5 full-size products with BoxyCharm or 5 full-size products with Ipsy. That's gonna be a no for me, dog. So anyways, guys, don't forget to follow me over on Instagram. We do have a giveaway still going on. I'd love it if you guys would hit that subscribe button and stick around, because I'm trying to get to that 30K and do a giveaway. So anyways, guys, let me know your thoughts, like I said, on Allure Beauty Box raising their prices $8 and it costing $23 a month. If you guys know, like I said, any information on not only why but what we will be seeing, let us know down below. Anyways, guys, I'm hopping off for now. Until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.